Hello everyone, I have made yet another popsicle stick rubber band gun. This one's only a 4-shot, which is arguably less impressive, but I found that putting a rubber band between these 2 points here makes it so you can more accurately fire it without it just shooting every single shot in one go. It's very satisfying. This one's a lot quicker to load. I think it's better because it only has like 2 of these little slot things here. It's only got 2 popsicle sticks wide. That one's got 4 and it's slightly harder to load, but it can take like more rubber bands at once. This one takes like 2 rubber bands per slot, so slightly less rubber bands, but it's still very good. And you can sort of control it more easily now because the resistance from this rubber band makes it easier to slide it back in a controlled manner. So I can pull it back like that, and if you want to shoot it super fast, you just take the rubber band off. It's like a resistance band. This one is still probably the most satisfying just because it's like really solid, and whenever you pull the trigger it feels like it's got some oomph. And it's got 5 shots. The 6th one has been covered by a little thing. When I was making it, accidentally covered it. But very satisfying. This one is good to load, but the last one's a little bit difficult. The new one, however, is a lot easier to load. I can even do it while holding the camera. Wait a second. See, this one, with its 4 slots wide, it's just not as good for some reason. But this new one, it only has 2 of these little 2 wide popsicle stick guard here, so you can slide it over with like even just with one hand and load it like this. A lot easier. Oh, I forget, you're supposed to start from the back. If you start from the front, then the rubber bands jam on each other and it just doesn't work out as well. Just gotta hold it together. Here we go. Where are we? Oof, kind of hard to do this with the camera, but I can still saw. Oh no, I can't load it with one hand. Oh, not with the camera. 1 second. I take a rubber band, I load it over here, I get another one, I load it over here. Whoops. My clumsy sausage fingers are attempting to do this task while my foot is holding the camera. Okay, there's only 3, but it's very satisfying. It's very fun. I can sort of controlledly release them now. Excellent for getting rid of flies. That's its main purpose. Summer is coming up, and flies shall fear me this time round instead of the other way. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have an excellent day. Goodbye. Oh wait, there's still a round or 2 left on here. Gotta get rid of them all. Nice. Goodbye.